everyone, today we will be making a Cajun-inspired one-pot meal. You will start with bell pepper, rotel. I like to use bull-in-a-bag jasmine rice, a Creole seasoning, and pork sausage. Let's start by dicing up our bell peppers. You can choose any color of bell pepper you prefer at the store. Once you've done this, cut up your pork sausage. Add your cooked rice to the pan. You will add in your sausage, your bell peppers, and your rotel. Mix it up very well. Let it sit on there and add your seasoning in. And I'll let it sit on medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Get it good and warm. And enjoy.